What's my donut? No, you're not getting my donut. You are not getting my donut. Ducks are my favourite birds. No. To make friends with, preferably. I love their waddles and I love their clacks. I love how they float in the water. It's a phone, darling. It's not. I want a pet duck. You're meant to take my brakes off. Alright, my brakes are off.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, there's plenty of space for 2 wheelchair users.
Absolutely. Just make sure when you go in, you mind your head, my lovely.
Yeah, thank you.
Put your brake on.
Yeah. And there's a space for you to see.
That's a space for me to sit. Yeah. Yeah.
I think this is my... No. I have been on a train before since becoming a wheelchair user, but this is my first mini train.
Right.
I'm glad I don't need to crouch down when I'm actually in it. It's only just getting in and out where you have to mind your head.
Pepsi out of it, Mum.
Thank you, Dad.
No, about breaking them.
It's just a unique angle for a chair.
Yeah.
The left in the back, and then a
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Longleat Railway. Please remain seated throughout the journey, do not lean out of the doorways, and keep your arms and legs outside the train at all times. And hope you enjoy your trip on the Longleat Railway.
Funky PH thing.
What side is that? The horn wasn't too loud, it was a bit like
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Please don't have a seizure when you're in here, because
Dad, you know I can't help it, right?
I know. I have to quickly go out.
What I do is oh yeah, they've got ramps to boats.
Then you know what happens. You'll kick out and you go whack, right in my head. What's your joke?
Which one's better?
It's worse.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's not your favourite bird. Look at the speed that's doing.
Yeah, really very fast like that. That's also dragonflies as well.
Yeah, that's all the way.
And there's gorilla island.
Not after the train.
Here's the tunnel. Oh, the horn is quite friendly. Afterwards. What is that? Oh, they're meant to be ants. Giant metal ant statues. Over the bridge. Whee! Bumpy, bumpy bridge. Very bumpy bridge. Can you get me up to the glass, Dad? Where are you two? Oh yeah, thank you for pointing that